Hey guys, another day, another Poshmark Q&A. I think that might just be my official intro song. Okay, first question. Love all your videos and thanks so much for helping us out and answering all our questions. So I have a dog and a cat and I've been wondering if there's something I need to disclose and how. I do the best I can to keep the clothes away from them and in my closet. I haven't had any complaints yet, but I saw other people doing this. So I have cats. I don't disclose that I have cats because my cats don't come anywhere near my clothes. I mean, I would say if there's a chance that your cats are near your clothes that you're selling, then yes, disclose it. You know, say pet friendly. But yeah, if they don't come near your clothes, there's really no need to disclose that. Next question. Have you ever purchased an extra large children's shirt and sold it as women's? I have. I want to say maybe like 2 or 3 things in my closet right now that are kid sizes, but I have them. Okay, so here's the way to do it. You can absolutely do that, but just be honest. Don't try to be tricky about it. Like I know one specifically, I think it's a Nike sweatshirt that I have, and it is a kid's, I think it's a kid's extra large, and I have it listed as a women's small, but I have that like disclosure in the description. I say, hey, this is actually a kid's extra large, but it fits like a women's small, and here are the measurements. So as long as you are honest about it, then, you know, it's fine to do. You know, and if someone were to open a case against you, you could fight it, especially if you have that, you know, in your description. If you're like, hey, you know, this is the size, but this is what it fits at. These are the measurements. You know, people can dispute measurements, obviously, but you know, if you've got that in your listing description, then you're probably good to go. But yeah, absolutely, you can do that. Just like I said, be honest about like the true size. Next question. I got this terrible message on Poshmark today. Thoughts? It's an expensive item, and I answered their question. Not sure where this effing bitch came from. Kind of scary. She sent me a screenshot of a comment that somebody had left on one of her listings, and the person was just being an asshole, and you were very nice to this person. My response probably would have been like, what did you just call me? Get off my closet. And then I would have blocked the person. But yeah, I'm not gonna read what they say, because they say some like racist words, and I would have, like, honestly, I don't even know if I would have bothered replying back to this person. I probably just would have blocked them. For the most part, I've never gotten, like, I've never gotten comments like you got, but I have gotten people that were rude, and like I said, I just block them. I don't waste my time. It's not worth it. Okay, next question. Hi Vanessa, I need some advice. I sent in an offer about 3 items, and I got completely ignored. It's been half an hour, so I looked through the seller's bundles, and she was answering other people, talking about she will hold items for days for other people when I sent a fair offer, and I went ahead and bought one of the items at full price, and I look at the bundles again, and the girl asked the seller if she would cancel the order because she asked first and it was her birthday. I commented and stated that that would be bad customer service since I had the money in hand and I already bought it. So canceling an order for someone who wasn't even ready to pay, I just felt was not good customer service. The girl told me to mind my business. I asked the seller when she would ship, if I should just cancel the order so she can't fulfill it, and no response. What should I do in this situation? Should I get Poshmark involved? I feel super discouraged. But I would give the seller maybe the benefit of the doubt, and maybe they didn't see your message yet. Maybe they were responding to a bunch of other messages, and like I said, they hadn't seen your comment yet. You're going to run into people on Poshmark that don't know shit about customer service, because let's be real, not everyone that sells something on Poshmark is doing it like as a business. As I've said many times before, the majority of people on Poshmark are just hobby sellers, or they're just randomly selling things from their own closet. Really, they couldn't care less about customer service, you know? Wait, you only have 3 hours after you purchase it to cancel it yourself. So then it would be up to the seller to cancel it. So it's obviously been more than 3 hours now. I don't know what's happened. So yeah, now you just gotta wait it out and see if the seller actually sends it to you or what happens. Last question. Where did it go? What is your biggest strength and your biggest weakness as a reseller? Oh boy. Let's do my biggest weakness first so we can end on a positive note. My biggest weakness. I am a procrastinator. For sure. Yeah, I would say that's my biggest weakness. I'm just super busy, and I procrastinate because of the fact that I'm super busy, because I'm like, oh, well, I should do this first, and then, oh, well, this can wait till later, and when in actuality, I shouldn't wait till later. Something else should be prioritized before it. So yeah, I would say procrastination. For sure. The biggest thing that I procrastinate about, is putting away inventory. Like, I'm so good about when I go sourcing and I pick up items, you know, I come home and I photograph and list them right away. I try to get everything photographed and listed the same day I purchase things. I'm really, really, really good about that. Like 98% of the time, if I purchase something, like if I were to go out and source today, like 98% sure everything would be photographed and listed by tonight. What I'm not good with is putting inventory away. So like after everything is photographed and listed, you know, putting things away in their bins. I'm not good about that. My biggest strength is I think my biggest strength is just that I'm able to do Poshmark while staying home, being a stay-at-home mom, homeschooling, and doing YouTube. Like, just juggling many things. I think that's a strength. I'm able to take my 4 kids sourcing with me with like no issues 99% of the time. I'll get back to you guys in a couple weeks and let you know the transition from 4 kids to 5 kids while doing this, and we'll see if that's still one of my strengths. All right, so that is it for this video. I hope it answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below, send me a DM on Instagram, or tweet me on Twitter. Why does nobody use Twitter? I feel like, I don't know, nobody uses Twitter anymore. I have been on Twitter since, I think 2008 when it first came out, or like 2007 or 6. I got on Twitter like a year after it came out. And I love Twitter, and I feel like everyone's all like Instagram, TikTok. I don't like Twitter, but I like Twitter, and I want to follow more people on Twitter. So if you're on Twitter, comment down below and let me know your Twitter name, because I'll follow you, because I want to find more people to follow on Twitter, because I freaking love Twitter, and you should follow me back. So also, if you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit. So thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.